All right, so today we're starting our review towards STAR. And the very first topic we're going to start with is rational numbers. So yesterday you did take your mock STAR, and for your mock STAR you did have some rational number questions. The first question I'm going to start with is question number 13. Am I on your on your mock STAR yesterday? Some students have already asked about this question. This is a rational numbers question. Some of you may have thought something else, but it is rational numbers. So you have a -8 times a 1 and 1/2. Remember when you have a number next to another number that's in parentheses, that means to multiply. So you have a -8 times 1 and 1/2 plus 2 times 2 and 1/4. Okay, so you had to start by multiplying your numbers. So you had to start by multiplying 8 times 1 and 1/4. And then whatever you got there, you had to add to whatever you got when you multiplied 2 and 1/4. Sorry, this is 1/2, not 1/4. I was, oh, I dropped my pencil. Hold on. Sorry, guys. So this is 2 and 1/4. All right. So I am going to start with the first part. I'm going to start with this part here. And I have to keep my negative. Okay. So in order to be able to multiply these, I first have to turn my -8 into a fraction. So I'm just going to take that and put it over 1. And then in order to be able to multiply times 1 and 1/2, I am going to turn that into an improper fraction by using Texas. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So I have a -8 over 1 times 3 over 2, or 3/2. And so it's a -8 times 3/2. So now I'm going to multiply top with top, bottom with bottom. So -8 times 3 gives me -24. 1 times 2 is 2. So now I have a -24 divided by 2. And that should be 12. And that would be a -12. So I have -12 plus whatever I get on this side. So again, I have to, So again, I have to bring my 2 down, turn it into a fraction by putting a 1 under it, times, and I have to, again, do Texas in order to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction and be able to multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 over 2. So now I'm just going to go ahead and multiply top with top, bottom with bottom. So 2 times 9, 18. And 1 times 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2. Let me erase that and write it a little bit. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get it to fit. Did I say 2? I meant 4. Sorry, guys. Maybe that's why it's good that I erased it. So, yeah. So, I had to turn this 2 and 1/4 into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's 9 over 4, not over 2 like I had said. Sorry, guys. So 9 times 2, that is still 18. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. So now you have 18 divided by 4. So how many times can 4 go into 18? It's 4 times 16. Bring that up. That's your new numerator, and your denominator stays the same. So you have 4 and 2/4. But can I simplify this 2/4? Yes, by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I have a negative 12 plus 4.5. So are my signs same or different? They are different. So that means I have to subtract. So I would take 12 minus 4.5. Okay. So I don't have anything to subtract my half from. So I have to borrow from there. And I want my denominator to be the same. So here I am going to have 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 1, which is what I borrowed from that 2. So 2 over 2 minus 1 over 2, that's 1/2. Then 11 minus 4 is 7. So you should have gotten a negative 7.5, sorry. I was going to say 1/2. A negative 7 and 1/2. Okay. So it was a rational numbers question. You may have not seen it like this throughout the school year because we tried to show you more in word problems whether just numbers like this, but you should have known how to do the process. Okay. So moving on to our assignment for today. So this is the first problem you will have on your Go Formative. And so this is a past star question, and 53% of students missed this one. So that was more than half of the students who missed this one whenever it was on the star. So it says there are 40 houses in a neighborhood. Company X provides electricity to 1/8 of the houses. Company Y provides electricity to 2/5 of the houses. And Company Z provides electricity to the remaining houses. In this neighborhood, Company Z provides electricity to, so what it's asking for is how many houses Company Z provides to. How many houses does Company Z provide electricity for? Whoops. Okay, so that's what it's asking us. So it says the problem says there are 40 what? So we have 40 what? Houses is correct. Okay. In the neighborhood. And it tells you here, 40 houses in a neighborhood. Company X provides electricity to blank of the houses. What part of the houses does Company X provide electricity for? Well, Company X provides electricity to 1/8. So that's what's going to go in your blank there. And then it says Company blank provides electricity to 2/5. So who provides electricity to 2/5 of the houses? Company Y. And it says you will find the number of blank that get electricity from Company Y. So we want to know the number of what? Houses. That get electricity from what company? Company Z, because it says Company Z provides electricity to the remaining houses. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and solve that. So it says Company X provides electricity to 1/8 of the houses. How many houses was it? 40. And then it says Company Y provides electricity to 2/5 of the houses, and we have 40 houses. So now we're going to go ahead and multiply. And in order to multiply a whole number times a fraction, we have to turn that whole number into a fraction by putting a 1 under it. So 1 times 40 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Turn your 40 into a fraction. Okay. So 2 times 40 is 80, and then 5 times 1 is 5. Right? Okay? So 40 divided by 8 is 5. That is correct. Okay, so now you have 80 divided by 5. So 80 goes into 5 one time. That's 5. Bring down your 3. Bring down your 0. 8 times minus 5 is 3, and then 0. So 5 goes into 30 6 times. So that means that company, I'm just going to put company Y provides electricity to 16 houses, while company X provides electricity to 5 houses. So that means company Z provides electricity to the remaining houses. How many houses are left? So you have 40 houses total. Whoops, I've left off the 0. Okay. You have 40 houses total. And company X provides electricity to 5. Company Y provides houses to 16. How many houses does company Z provide houses to? Okay. So you have to find the remaining number of houses, and that's how many houses company C provides electricity to. Go ahead and finish that off, and you should be able to answer that on your Go Formative. Okay.